Graph theory, example 6. They're asking for us to look for odd vertices and even vertices. Let's go ahead and find the degree of each vertex first. Okay, therefore our odd vertices are Q and P. And our even vertices are L, M, N, and O. We only have one bridge, and that's from Q to P. And they ask for two different paths from M to N. So one of those paths is M, Q, P, N. Or I could say M, L, Q, P, N. Identify one circuit. Let us consider L, M, Q, and then back to L. Okay, example B, the same thing. So I would like to first find the degree of each vertex. So that means our odd vertices are B and F. And our even vertices are A, C, D, and E. Okay, so are there any bridges? Well, no, because if I get rid of any one of these sides, the vertex would still be connected to the other vertices. So we'll put none for our bridges. Two different paths from A to B. Well, the most direct one that I can see is AEB. So I could also say A, E, D, B would get me there as well. Okay, so notice I never said AB because there's no edge connecting those two, so those would not be a path. So then it says identify two circuits from the same vertex. Well, that shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to do the first circuit, B, D, E, B. And then I could do another one. Let's do B, C, F, E, B.